Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we will be talking about the virtual product, and that is going to be either the downloadable product or a service. So there are two types of virtual product. Like a virtual product is just like you are giving a service and the people will be able to buy it, and the other product that you can sell is a downloadable product like an audiobook or a PDF. So we're going to be talking about everything. So all you have to do is to click over here, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and now you have to click add new. So now here, if you go ahead and you select a virtual product, okay, so virtual product is something that is intangible and they cannot be shipped. Okay, and you can type in here just like web design service. Okay, and you can type in web design service, and in here you can say that I'm going to be giving web design service for $1,000. Okay, and it's right here, and now you can define that what are the services you're going to be giving. So let's suppose that you're going to be giving homepage design. So this is what we call as a service, and these products usually cannot be shipped. So let's suppose that you can even add it as a simple product, and you can also add it as a variable product. So for the variable product, what you can do is that in the attributes, you can go ahead and you can add a custom attribute, and that is going to be the type of the website. And so here you can type in introductory website, you can type in e-commerce website. So this is how it's going to be. And then you can hit use for variations, and you can even type in blog, because these three websites we know right now. So we're going to be giving these services about these three websites. And then you have to hit save attributes. And now you can go to the variations here. And now you have to basically click create variation from all the attributes, and now you have to hit OK, and then you can hit go. And here we have got the three variations. So now here we've got, so for the introductory website, we're going to be charging $1,000. Okay, and now here you can go ahead and you can define, you can write in the description. Same like this, you can go ahead and you can do the e-commerce. So for the e-commerce, we're going to be doing $2,500, and it's going to be, and you can also build a blog. So for a blog, you can charge, let's suppose, $1,200. Okay, and you can go ahead and you can hit the save changes. And now you can go ahead and you can just edit anything in, since we don't have any category over here. So we're going to be adding it to uncategorized, and now you have to hit apply. And now you can see that the product is going to be published. So if you go ahead and you just come up here, you can see it's right here. It says web design service. You can add any of the image, but the placeholder for the image is being applied, and now you can select. So introductory website is going to be right here. It's telling you that it's actually a basic 3-page website, and the price is going to be this. Same like this, you can choose e-commerce, an e-commerce website with categories and tags. So it's going to be for $28.81, and what you can do is that you can even add it for a blog, and it's going to be for this much price. So this is how you can go ahead and you can work with it, and this is the description, and this is actually used as a service. So if you go ahead and you click blog, the blog is going to be added, and now you go ahead and you click view cart, and now you can see that this is right here. So web design service is right here, and now you can go ahead and you can remove it from here, you can remove it from here, and now you can see that this is right here. And now here you have to do one more thing, and that is you can see that there is no virtual product over here. So what you have to do is to expand this, and now here you have to select it to be virtual. Okay, same like this, you have to select this to be virtual as well, and you have to select this to be virtual as well. So this means that this product cannot be shipped. And now what you can do is that you can hit update, and now the product is going to be updated. Now what you have to do is to click go to store, and this is right now. Now here you can see that this is what we have, the web design service. So you can go ahead and you can select this option. You can say that I need an e-commerce website, so it's going to be this, and this is going to be the price. And now you can go ahead and you can hit add to cart. So once you add to the cart, you can see that it's going to be right here, and now we are here. And now there is no shipping because these virtual products cannot be shipped. And now you can see that we are getting this cash on delivery. So we have to get rid of this because since they cannot be shipped, then why are we getting the cash on delivery? So what you have to do for that is that you have to go to the dashboard, and now you have to go to the WooCommerce, and then you have to go to the settings. Now here you have to go to the payments, and now here you have to go to the cash on delivery. And now you have to select accept COD. If order is virtual, you have to deselect this, and then you have to hit save changes. Now if you just refresh this page, you can see that there is no cash on delivery. So there is just direct bank transfer and the PayPal and the Western Union. So this is how basically everything is working. Now let's go ahead and let's talk about the downloadable products. So a downloadable product can be added just right here. You have to click add new over here. And right now you have to add the product name. So first is that you have to select that this is the actual downloadable product. And then you have to select the file. So that the downloadable product should be here. So here you can go ahead and you can just add the file name. And now here you have to choose the file. So I'm going to be going ahead and I'm going to be clicking upload files. And now here I'm going to be just uploading the file. So let's go to the file and let's add that. So the file that I'm going to be adding is going to be the archive zip, and I'm going to hit open. Okay, and this is going to be now uploaded to my website. And so it's right here. Okay, and then what you can do is that you can hit insert file URL, and then you can type in anything. So let's suppose that you are building WordPress template, then you can say WordPress template. Okay, you can type in the file name, and this is going to be right here. And now you can say WordPress template. Okay, and you can charge the user, let's suppose, $5. Okay, and then you can go ahead and you can type in the description here. You can type in the short description here. You can set a download limit, just like how much limit you want. And you can also set the limit expiry, that this is going to be valid for 2 days only, or it's going to be valid for unlimited time. Then you can go ahead and you can hit publish over here. So once this is published, all you can go ahead and you can hit view product, and this is going to be right here. It's actually a WordPress template, and it's going to be right here. Now what you can do is that you can hit add to cart. The product is now added to the cart. You can hit view cart, and this is the WordPress template. What you'll do is that you will uncheck this, and then what you have to do, you can see that this is right here. So this is coming. So this is also charging for the shipping. And the reason for that is because we have not edited the product to be just like it should be virtual product. So all you have to do is to click edit product again. And then here you have to select that this is actually the virtual product. So that this should be done. And now you have to hit update again. And now you click view cart. You can see that now we are right here. And now you can go ahead, you can click proceed to checkout. You can select the direct bank transfer. You can hit place order, and then the order is going to be processed. Okay, so this is what the order is. And now if you go to the My Account right now, and then you click downloads, you can see that the download is not available yet. Even if you go to the orders, you can see that this order is on hold because we have to wait till we receive the payment. Okay, so now if you just go ahead, the administrator will go ahead and he will go to the orders. And now when he will click complete order, okay, if he just comes up here and then he say that the order has been completed. And now if the person goes and he goes to the order, you can see that the order has been completed. And now if you will click downloads, you can see that the WordPress template is right here. And now if you will click file, you can see that the WordPress file will now be downloaded from here. So if you just click over here, you can see that the file is now being downloaded. And this is how it's just working. So that's all for right now. Now we are totally done with every type of product. So in the next video, we will be working up with the designing part because there is nothing more that you should be understanding about an e-commerce website. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.